In this video, I'll be unboxing the FlexPulse. Now, this is a high-quality pulse EMF device that is wearable. It's small, it could be concealed, which means you can wear it at work, travel. It's easy to handle, easy to apply, and since it's wearable, you could get treatment for a longer period of time. You don't have to shut down your day and lay down on the mat. You could get treatment as you work. It's got a magnetic field intensity rating of 200 Gauss. With that type of power, it can reach pretty much any area in your body. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Looks like that when you open it. So it comes with a nice carrying case, which makes sense since it's wearable. People who buy this are going to take it with them. So we get a nice case to keep it in, nice and compact, very stylish. You open it up. You have a quick start guide. So this is the unit itself. It's got an AC adapter. You plug into the wall, charge it. Comes with a magnetic field tester that will confirm the presence of the electrical field. Comes with a lanyard. You can carry this. You can clip it to your belt or attach it to the unit and hang it around your neck. Fits in like this. And it's got the applicators. The pulses run through it and the magnetic field is generated. I'm going to charge this up. The AC adapter plugs at the bottom here. Okay, so I have the FlexPulse out here. It's charging using the AC adapter. This is what it looks like. Now this is German engineering. It's high quality. The company has been around for quite a bit. Dr. Pollack, who is a medical authority on pulse EMF, endorses this. And highly regarded, it's probably the best portable pulse EMF device out on the market. It's got the two applicators, which are where the electrical coils are that generate the electromagnetic field. And the machine is rated as a maximum output intensity of 200 Gauss. It's recommended that you use one channel at a time because if you put two channels in, you split the maximum Gauss to 100 per coil. These electrical coils, you can see they're relatively small, the applicators, but the field itself has been measured to be about the size of just under the size of a basketball. This has pre-programmed treatment settings related to the frequency output that's generated. Now the setting of 10, this number here is the intensity. 10 is the highest rating, so if you set it to 10, you'll be generating 200 Gauss from the applicator. Various programs, P1 mentions that's for cellular stimulation. It's 10 Hertz, it's in the alpha brainwave frequency band, 8 to 13 Hertz. Alpha band is more of a relaxation or meditation type frequency, so whenever you feel relaxed, your alpha brainwaves are dominant in your brain. The second program is for cellular repair, and that's in a frequency between 10 Hertz and 100 Hertz. Program 3 is at 3 Hertz. That's for deep relaxation. Delta brain waves. So whenever your delta waves in your brain are dominant, it's the state where you transition from consciousness to sleep. Program 4 is at 7.8 Hertz for balance and restoration. P5 is at 23 Hertz, and that is indicated for staying alert. The brain waves that are dominant when you're in the middle of your day, you're active, you're at work, you're on top of your game, and so forth. P6 is at 1000 Hertz, and that's for mood balancing. It uses a square wave at 1000 Hertz, and some studies show that stimulating at this frequency and waveform was effective in treating acute depression and even those on medical therapies. Now, if you are using this to try to help with depression, it is highly recommended that you seek consultation with a professional before you embark on this, just to make sure everything is okay.